Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to emergency drain a Samsung front load washing machine. We are using the bespoke AI model, but these steps could be applicable for other similar Samsung or other brand models as well. So let's check it out. We have to do this emergency drain when our washing machine stopped during a power failure and our drum door is locked because of this. We have to do the emergency drain first before powering on and unlocking the door to take our clothes. We got this Samsung front load washing machine recently and it's good so far. And out of nowhere today we had a power shutdown in our area. So the washing machine stopped in between and some doormats got stuck. As you can see, it is inside and we can't open the door. It is locked. Usually during power failure, the drum door will get locked because we might have some water inside. So we have to drain the water inside the drum. Before this, we have to power off and unplug the washing machine first. To do this, we have to open our front load washing machine's pump filter or debris filter. It will be at the bottom like this small door. We have to open this. In some models, we can just simply push this and open. But for the specific Samsung model, they gave this spanner. We just have to keep it like this and press this. That's all. It will be open. We can use anything similar like this too. Now we have to take a big plate or a container like this, which we can keep near the filter area. It's good to keep a big container depending on the kg model we have. So this is the emergency drain tube. We just have to take this like this and we have to open this airtight seal. Just have to open this and the water should hopefully come out. Just open this. As you can see, the water is coming out. You just have to wait till it is complete. We are using the 9 kg model now. So let me do this again. So we just have to pull this and the water should come out. Even this is getting filled. If I knew this before, I would have gotten a bucket. But okay, wait. See how dirty it is. Finally, we have almost drained the water completely. We underestimated how much water will come out of this. It took almost 3 times this bucket size. So it's good to keep a large container for this, for draining out the water. I think it's done. So once it is finally done, we just have to put back this lid and hold this tight. Like this. That's all. Now we can keep it like this. I think it's correct. Like this we have to keep it. Additionally, we can also open this. This will also have some water inside. We just have to clean this. We can simply use any brush to clean this. Then we can reattach this like this. And just tight this. That's all. Now we can connect the cable and turn on our washing machine. Now after we power on the washing machine, we will get this option, continue cycle, turn the dial to select. We can select or deselect this. Now when we cancel the continue cycle, the door will get unlocked and we can open this. We can open this easily and we can take our clothes out. That's all. These are the steps to emergency drain a Samsung front load washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.